If you're a tradesperson that did work on a house and the homeowner didn't pay you, there's various ways you can try to secure payment in regards to that house. And some of the ways are you could put a builder's lien on that house, or you can file a lawsuit and file a certificate of pending litigation on that property that you did work on. Or you can pursue a lawsuit and get a judgment, and you can register that judgment on that property that you did work on. If you need any help with pursuing a claim of money for work that you did on a property, feel free to reach out to me, 604-322-0022.